would like to say on behalf of many teachers who have been very anguished since October 15th, not only as teachers but as mothers and as fathers, our heart goes out to the family of Najib, who has not been found even after 20 days. We are appalled at the attitude of the administration, which has shown scant respect for the demands of the students and also for the demands of teachers, that this issue be taken up seriously and the necessary steps be taken by the administration to inquire into the incident which led to the disappearance of Najib. The administration has not unequivocally said to Najib that he should come back and that he will be assured of his safety and his security in this campus. And that is something that a failure which the university will have to explain. So we as teachers stand with this JNU community because we believe that the disappearance of Najib is not a matter of one student alone. It is part of a long and sustained attack on the culture and community that has been built up in JNU of tolerance. What is at stake here is not just Najib's appearance. We hope he is safe and that he is hearing our messages of solidarity and that he will return to our midst as soon as possible. But what is at stake here is the culture of JNU itself. This battle has been going on since February of 2016. It is not likely to end anytime soon. So it is my appeal to all members of JNU student community, to the members of the TA, to the members of the staff association, to think and act in the spirit that has been built up in JNU over the last 40 years, to say to the administration that this spirit will not be broken in the space of a few months, that we will stand together in this fight, which is a fight not just against JNU, but against all central universities and possibly all higher educational institutions, because this current government does not want spaces that encourage critical thinking. We know this, it is becoming very evident. So the issue is not the appearance of Najib alone, which we hope will happen very soon and will give us cause for celebration, but this is a matter that goes well beyond the incident of October 15th and poses a very grave threat not just to JNU but to other universities as well. With these very few words, I would like to once more express our heartfelt solidarity with the family of Najib and with the students who have so far led the struggle on his behalf over the last 20 days, to say that we will not rest until he comes back to our midst. Thank you.